What is up, YouTube? I am back again with another video, and in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to install Cydia on your new jailbroken device running the A12 chip. So I do have the iPhone XR, and you know Cydia is not supported by it, and Cydia is not installed with the Chimera jailbreak. It's Cydia. But I want to show you guys how to go back to Cydia. It is very simple. So we're gonna jump over to Cydia, and I'm going to put down below the package or the source you need to install. So as soon as you install that, go to the package, go to all categories, and make sure you install these right here. The big boss icon set, Cydia, then Cydia for Chimera/Electra. It should respring your device, and as you can see right there, Cydia is there and it is working correctly. There is an update right now, so I'm going to be updating up to this, but I just want to show you guys that so you guys can finally get Cydia on your jailbroken device on the A12 chips. It is very simple and super easy, guys. So I do recommend you guys, if you guys want to go back to Cydia, to do this, and it does work. So the question is, which is better, Cydia or Cydia down there? So what I'm going to do in my next video, I'm going to make a video talking about which I prefer and which I like better, because I switch back and forth from Cydia and Cydia, because I don't know, I really do like Cydia, but Cydia does have more. But that's just for the next video, guys. But remember, link will be down below for the source, and it is very simple, guys. You don't need a computer, you don't need nothing at all, just a brain, and everybody has a brain. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.